Have you seen the ads claiming that Derma Pure Gummies can completely transform your skin from the inside out by healing your gut? Before you spend your money, there are some important facts you should know. Derma Pure Gummies are marketed as a skincare supplement that combines probiotics, prebiotics, and natural ingredients to support the gut-skin connection, promising clearer skin, fewer breakouts, a healthier complexion, and long-term skin improvement. While the gut-skin relationship is an area that researchers continue to study, there is currently no publicly available independent clinical evidence proving that Derma Pure Gummies themselves deliver the dramatic results shown in advertisements. Another concern is the marketing strategy surrounding the product. Many promotional videos and social media ads appear to rely on AI-generated content, questionable doctor endorsements that cannot be independently verified, and customer testimonials that seem heavily edited or artificially created. Some promotions also use misleading statements that suggest FDA approval, even though dietary supplements are not approved by the FDA for effectiveness in the same way as prescription medicines. You may also notice countdown timers, massive limited-time discounts, and secret formula stories designed to create urgency rather than provide reliable scientific information. Reports online suggest that similar formulations are often rebranded and sold under different names, making it difficult to determine what is actually unique about the product. While some users may report positive experiences, many others say they notice little or no visible improvement after using the gummies consistently. That doesn't automatically make Derma Pure Gummies a scam, but it does mean the bold advertising claims should be viewed with caution. If you're considering buying this supplement, focus on transparent ingredient information, realistic expectations, verified customer feedback, and advice from a qualified healthcare professional instead of relying solely on flashy advertisements. The smartest decision is to evaluate the evidence carefully before believing promises of fast or dramatic skin transformation.